friends, good morning. Welcome to Maitri's kitchen. So today we are going to do a special recipe being a lockdown weekend. The recipe is mushroom dum biryani in home style. It's a very simple way to do dum biryani. So let us see the step-by-step process. How do we do the kalan biryani, the mushroom biryani in a dum style. So let us watch the ingredients. I have taken 300 grams of button mushrooms followed with 3 big onions along with 3 small tomatoes along with the spices like bay leaves, cardamom, cinnamon, star anise, cloves, quarter cup of thick yogurt, 1 lemon juice along with 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons followed with 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of ghee along with a handful of coriander and fresh mint leaves. So always when you are doing mushrooms, you need to add pepper. That gives a very yummy taste. Along with all these ingredients mentioned, we are gonna do it with basmati rice. I have soaked basmati rice for about 30 minutes. So let us see the step-by-step process. First we are gonna take a pan. I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of ghee into it. Followed with ghee, we are gonna add 2 tablespoons of refined oil. We are going to add all our spices that was mentioned, 1 star anise, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and bay leaves. So let it get tossed lightly in the ghee. At this stage I am going to add the onions. Not to fry the onions too much, just a slight fry. I am just adding the salt only for the onions that is required so that it gets cooked fast. Onions, I am adding the required amount of salt. Followed with onion, I am going to add 1 sliced green chilies. Add the salt, I am going to add 2 slit green chilies. Just toss it for a while. Friends, you can find our onions is slightly transparent. At this stage, I am going to add the required amount of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of turmeric powder, followed with 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste along with 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. So mix all this well. Masalas are nicely blended. At this stage I am going to add a handful of mint leaves followed with a handful of coriander leaves. Stage we are going to add tomatoes. So friends, our mint leaves, coriander leaves all are blended well with our tomatoes. At this stage I am going to add the thick yogurt. In this I am going to add our lemon juice. So now this is the right stage to add our basmati rice which is soaked for 30 minutes after draining the water completely. So friends, at this stage first we need to add the exact amount of water. I have taken 3 cups of basmati rice, so the water should be 1.5. So if 1 cup of basmati rice, the water should be 1.5 cups. So add the amount of water correctly. Let the water get boiled. Once the water is getting boiled, we need to add the soaked basmati rice. I am going to add the chili powder. You can add the chili powder as per the spice level. I am adding 2 tablespoons of chili powder because we have already added 1 green chili followed with 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. So let the water get boiled. We will start adding the basmati rice followed with our button mushrooms. Followed with the required amount of salt for the rice. So friends, the gravy is getting nicely boiled. Now at this stage add the basmati rice which was soaked for 30 minutes and the water is completely drained. Friends, the rice is added. Gently mix the rice along with the masala so that the basmati rice does not get broken. Mix it gently and ensure the salt, everything is in the right consistency. Always for biryani add little more salt because we are going to add the mushroom, so it should be in a correct consistency. At this stage I am going to add the mushrooms. We are going to add our mushrooms into it. Water content. So when doing the biryani, please be very cautious while adding the water. Mix the mushroom too much, just one mix, because the more you mix the mushroom will shrink. So not to mix it much, slightly, gently just mix it. I have added little coriander and mint leaves in the top and you can find little bubbles that's getting boiled. So the easy method to do our mushroom dum biryani in home style is just close the lid and keep it between sim and medium flame for 10 minutes exactly. This flame should not be in high, it should be between sim and medium, and keep it exactly for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, off the stove and then put the weight. Now we are just going to close the lid without putting the pressure. The pressure will get released continuously for 10 minutes. Just have it closed. Just watch it. That's it. So let it be closed for 10 minutes exactly. On the 10th minute, off the gas and put the. Now exactly 10 minutes is over. You can find the vapor coming up. So at this stage, I'm gonna off the stove and just gonna place the weight into it. So exactly after 10 minutes, we can open and see that. 10 minutes is over. So the pressure is completely released. Now we are gonna open and see how is our mushroom dum biryani come out. Mushroom dum biryani. Yes, you can find it's nicely cooked. The mushrooms are cooked very well with our mint and coriander leaves, with our basmati rice. It's come out very well. So this is how we need to do our dum biryani in home style. It's very simple and easy. Just follow the timing and it will come out very well. I'll just place it. I'll just get it displayed. So friends, you can find our mushroom home style dum biryani, which has come out very well. So please follow the instructions so that you can also do a very yummy, delicious dum biryani. So please try doing lot of recipes in mushroom. Mushroom is full of proteins. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe. Have our hot mushroom dum biryani with your favorite raita. Thank you.